Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I will be creating this beautiful look using only Lotus Herbals products. So let's get into the video. Also, I will be using their combo pack, which is Wine with Me, and it has 4 products: Lotus Eco Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Wine Velvet, Pro Edit Silk Touch Sketch Eyeliner, Pro Edit Strobe Cream, and Max Lash Mascara. Okay, so I'm first starting off with their Pro Edit Luminous Primer, applying it all over my face to hide my pores and also to get a smooth base before my foundation. And now for foundation, I'm using their Pro Edit Silk Touch Perfecting Foundation in the shade Cashew SF02, applying it all over my face and then blending it with the help of Damn Beauty Blender. I absolutely love this foundation. It gives a beautiful finish. And now it's time for blush, and for that I'm using Lotus Eco Stay Long Lasting Silky Smooth Blush, and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks, on the nose and little bit on the chin. Now to prevent my base from creasing, I am using Eco Stay Ideal Finish Pressed Powder, applying it on the mouth area, under my eyes and also on the eyelids. For the eyeshadow, I am using Eco Stay Velvet eyeshadow in the shade Autumn Feel. Now I am taking the lightest shade on the palette and applying it on my crease, blending it really well. And then I am applying the dark brown shade on my crease to give it more depth. And for last step, I am using this beautiful pink shade and applying it on my eyelids. Now to give my eyes a beautiful shape, I am using Pro Edit Silk Touch Perfection Eyeliner and making a beautiful wing, and also adding Lotus Eco Stay Long Lasting Kajal in the shade Black on the lower lash line. Now to add length and volume to my lashes and also to open up my eyes, I am using Lotus Max Lash Mascara in the shade Black. Now to plump up my lips, I am using Pro Edit Lip Plumper and Gloss in the shade Clear Glass. I really like this one. You can also use this as a gloss on top of your lipstick. Now for my lipstick, I am using Lotus Eco Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Wine Velvet. It's a gorgeous shade. I'm applying it on my lips, and then to add an ombre effect, I'm again using Eco Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Soft Pink and applying it only in the middle of my lips and then dabbing it. So guys, this is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and by following these simple steps you can easily recreate this look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments, and also let me know if you liked the look or not. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time.